In this video, I'm going to show you how to circumscribe a circle outside of a triangle. This means this is a circle that goes all the way around the outside, touching the three vertices. So let me show you how to do this in Geogebra. I'm going to start with the polygon tool to create a triangle. I'll change the color, and it doesn't matter what type of a triangle that we choose because this is a construction, so we could make it obtuse or acute. Now, in order to make a triangle that goes on the outside of, construct a triangle that goes on the outside of the circle and touches the vertices, we need to understand what the word circumcenter is. So let me write that down. And this is the intersection of the perpendicular bisectors. So this is going to be the center of this circle that is going to be circumscribed. So let me show you how to find the intersection of the perpendicular bisectors. There is a perpendicular bisector tool. Select 2 points or one segment. Or you could just click this on a segment. And because these are concurrent, if I click on the last segment, it will go through at the same point. So let me intersect. Now this is my circumcenter, so I'm going to rename this as the circumcenter. And so to finish this construction, all you have to do is click on the circumcenter in any one of these vertices, and that will be the circumscribed circle. Now don't forget that this would mean that this distance from here to these, because it's a radius, would be the same. The distance from the circumcenter to the vertices would be the same. Let me just check that. So I'm going to remove these lines, and I won't show these. I'll do show label. Okay, so let's just check these distances. So this is a radius. Always the radius is the same. But let's go measure these distances just because it's fun to do. And so this radius of this circle is 3.93, but the distance from the vertices to the circumcenter has to be the same. And this is how you create this. And look at this. You can move this around. It's always going to be this way. But if you have a right triangle, the circumcenter is on the hypotenuse. An acute, it's inside. And obtuse, it's outside. So let me show you how to look at this equation of the circle that is circumscribed. And it's right here. X minus 4.78 quantity squared plus y minus 2.43 quantity squared equals 16.39. Let me just talk about that for 1 second. The equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k equals r squared. So in other words, if you take the opposite of these two numbers, you'll get the center. So the center this case would be the opposite of negative 4.78, which would be positive 4.78. And the other part of the ordered pair for the center would be the opposite of this, which would be positive 2.43. And that should be the circumcenter coordinates, and it is. And this is the radius squared. So if I take my calculator, and I've got something in here right now, so clear it, and I take 16.39 and take the square root, that's 4.05 rounded, which is the radius. So I would write down that the radius is 4.05, and this is how you find the equation. The equation is written right here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.